This like use item IDs is a use selector, and it needs to be in a provider or else this will blow up. The trick, in this case is like, what if the ability to fetch stuff from the state was something I passed in? If it's something I passed in, now this component can exist outside of a React component hierarchy without a provider. I can pass it in, it will use that hook. And then I can also like pass in other stuff when I need it. And the idea is like, you're just trying to like take your code base, and this is true in a large application. You're trying to take all the ways that it's like jammed together and start to pull it so you can pass stuff in and you can kind of pull it apart and snap it together rather than the fact that pieces are like glued to each other. The thing that I learned, you might think that your code is modular and like, oh yeah, this like thing that takes it from the API to how I want to use it in the UI. It's like, it just takes these two things. But now like over time, and some of these were not my fault. Oh, someone just like imported some other file. Well, that's now in the closure scope. So you gotta bring that file too. And then that file imports another file. And that one imports two more. You get this like network effect where it becomes very difficult